Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shirley. Today, I'm going to share with you a very special recipe which is very close to my heart. This happens to be my mom's favorite bread, that is a raisin bread. I baked this bread, and this really filled my kitchen with the sweet aroma of love. So, sharing with you this recipe today. Please have a look at the description box for the complete, detailed recipe. There is this joy of baking raisin bread, and the process can create a warm and loving atmosphere at home. Many people struggle with finding ways to connect with loved ones, especially during busy times. We get caught up in our daily routines, and sometimes we forget to prioritize the things that truly matter. But what if I told you there's a simple way to bring your family and friends closer together? Baking can be a very powerful solution to bridge that gap. It's not just about following a recipe, it's about creating an experience that brings people together. When we bake, we are not just making something to eat, we are making memories, and that's what makes it so special. To make this delicious raisin bread, you'll need some all purpose flour, yeast, salt, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, and of course, raisins. And as you begin, take a moment to appreciate the sights, smells, and texture of each ingredient. The softness of the flour, the sweetness of the sugar, and the plumpness of the raisins all come together to create something truly special. As we mix and knead the dough, take a deep breath and inhale the aroma of the yeast. It's a smell that's both familiar and comforting, like a warm hug from a loved one. As we shape the dough into a loaf, imagine the joy and love that we are putting into every fold and twist. This is more than just bread, it's a labor of love. Now, let's put the dough in the oven and let it work its magic. As the bread bakes, the aroma of sweet, caramelized raisins and the freshly baked bread will fill the air, making your kitchen feel cozy and inviting. It's almost as if the bread is saying, "Come gather around and let's share in the love and joy that's been poured into me." The moment of truth has finally arrived. As I take the bread out of the oven, the golden crust and inviting aroma are like a warm embrace, enveloping me in a sense of comfort and love. This is what it means to bake with love, to put your heart and soul into every step of the process and to share that love with others. Thank you for being with me and stay connected. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen.